This is Nala, and she likes to lounge around a lot. When she's not lounging, she loves to jump on everything, like the dining room table, or the kitchen counter. So I thought I would build her her own cat wall right here in the living room. I just happen to have a piece of scrap plywood that will fit perfectly. Let's see which side would be best. This one. Ah, the old precision corner round-over jig works perfect every time. Beautiful. This is a test shelf bracket that I ended up using as a template for the rest of the brackets. I'm making the brackets out of solid wood because I didn't want to edge band all those curves. Yeah, I know I got the resaw blade on here. It's not the best for cutting curves, but I was lazy and didn't want to change it up. Here I used double-sided tape to stick the piece to the template and route away. 60% of the time, it works every time.
This thing's such a piece of shit.
I wanted to take a minute to thank everybody that watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. And since my channel is still pretty small, it would really help to subscribe. And it's totally free. The shelves are 12 inches, and I think they're a little too wide. Let's fix that real quick. I think that's better.
Jeez.
Here I got out the double-sided tape again to hold the shelves in place while I pre-drill the holes and screw it to the board. Oh, my back. Oh, and by the way, it was about 95 degrees that day, and I was sweating my shirt off.
Oh, yeah.
I know you were wondering, yes, there are plans available for my router table. Get them before they sell out. Here I'm using edge banding on all the exposed plywood edges.
Oh, Jesus.
The edge banding has a glue on the backside that will melt from the heat of the iron and stick to the surface, and then you rub it down with something flat there to make sure it sticks good. I'm putting in some pocket holes into the top of the long shelf, and that's all how I will attach it to the wall along with the brackets. And here I am drilling the hole to attach the bracket to the wall. Let's throw a little paint on this thing and make it look presentable. I am using the same color that I have on the walls in the living room, so it will blend in better. And I'm back again with the double-sided tape for the last time. I'm using this to attach the carpet to the shelves. I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but it did work. And here I am putting in the pocket hole screws. I think I had 8 on the top there. You can see I used a couple pieces of scrap taped to the wall there to hold the wall in place while I screwed it. Hey man, whatever works. So let's see if I can get it all on this thing. I'm coaxing her up here with some treats. And no. Alright, let's try again. Okay. Maybe. She's looking around. Thinking about it. Thinking. Still thinking. And no. Okay, she might do it this time. Okay. Okay. She made it to the top. Okay, I'm not liking that gap between the shelves. I think I'm going to build a stair for that. That's better.
Careful. Hey, come here. Hey. No. No. Don't do that.